let's break down how some food companies are able to use neuroscience to make their food more addicting. It all starts with something called the Bliss point, and this is just a proper mixture of salt, sugar, and fat. The proper ratio is going to produce the best hedonic response in the brain and get you to eat more and keep coming back. So the response is actually dopaminergic, and it fires the mesolimbic dopamine pathway. This is the same reward circuit activated by things like cocaine and alcohol. The difference is this is engineered into the SKU on every menu. One of the greatest examples of this was actually done by McDonald's with their drinks. So McDonald's, along with a lot of other fast food companies, found out that high fructose corn syrup, roughly 55% fructose and 45% glucose, is the ratio that matters enormously at the cellular level. Because when you consume glucose, your pancreas secretes insulin, insulin enters the hypothalamus and upregulates the production of leptin. Leptin is just your primary long-term satiety hormone, and leptin binds to the receptors in the archaic nucleus of the hypothalamus, suppressing NPY, AGRP neurons, the neurons that drive hunger, and activating POMC neurons that signal fullness. The feedback loop works, and you stop eating. What fructose does is it breaks this loop. So since fructose is almost entirely metabolized via the liver, via fructokinase, bypassing the phosphofructokinase regulation step that glucose goes through, fructose does not trigger the same hypothalamic response. That means you get no leptin signaling, and you get no signaling that you're actually full. Because fast food companies figured out that high fructose corn syrup doesn't signal the fullness cue, they started adding it to their drinks so that people wouldn't get full from the drinks and they would purchase more food. So one of the ways they do this is through the drinks, is that the job of the drink is to keep you thirsty, kill your satiety signaling, and make sure you pair it with more food. So a 32-ounce McDonald's fountain drink contains roughly 86 grams of sugar, almost entirely from high fructose corn syrup. Consume that rapidly enough, you're creating a fructose bolus that floods the liver and completely bypasses the hypothalamic satiety circuits.